One group has special permission to be in emergency rooms, even when no one else was allowed during the pandemic. Jamie Perez shows us who they are and how they are making a difference.
All the doctor could do was give me a piece of paper with 3 numbers and say, here are some options for you. I can't really do anything else.
Wesley Van Epps knows the feelings of loneliness and isolation in a hospital room, especially after an overdose.
Looking back at it now, if that hospital would have been able to provide peer support, for me personally, I think my journey of recovery would have started a lot sooner.
Now, people in similar positions are getting that help, thanks to people like Wesley and Danielle Melby. They provide support through the Emergency Department to Recovery program.
I had one peer explain to me that just being there gave them a sense of peace.
Hospitals recognize the need to allow people like them to be in emergency departments even when no one else could be, allowing Wisconsin Voices for Recovery specialists to see patients right at their bedsides.
The pandemic has really overshadowed the epidemic that's been going on with drug and alcohol use. People are still struggling.
Aspira's Divine Savior Hospital in Sauk County is one of 24 hospitals statewide working with this program. The emergency department director there says ER admissions for overdoses have skyrocketed during the pandemic.
So they're in a particularly vulnerable place at that time. And so that peer support right then is extremely important to preventing perhaps a return visit within the hour or two, because the natural inclination is to go get that fixed again.
Patients don't have to use their services, but about 60% of the people offered them do. That's encouraging to Van Epps, who says eliminating the search process removes a step that can point someone down the right path to recovery.
This program gives that individual the opportunity to stay connected with that peer support provider when they leave the ER.
For News 3 Now, I'm Jamie Perez.
If you or someone you know is battling an addiction, there is help out there. You can call the National Helpline for drug and alcohol addiction or seek professional help from the Satori House in Portage. We have those numbers on channel3000.com.